Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to install WhatsApp on your iPhone. It's a pretty simple process, so let's get right to it. First things first, we need to open up the App Store on your iPhone. You know, the blue icon with the A on it. Once you've opened the App Store, look at the bottom right corner, and you'll see a search icon. Tap on that. Now, at the top of the screen, you'll see a search bar. Go ahead and tap in there, and type in WhatsApp, all one word. After you've typed that in, WhatsApp should be the very first result that pops up. It'll look like this, describe the icon. Tap on it. If you want to, you can scroll down and read a bit more about the application. But to actually install it, scroll all the way back to the top. You'll see a button that says, Get. Tap that. Now mine shows a cloud icon because I've downloaded it before, but yours will probably say Get. Alright, once the application has been installed, the Get button will change to Open. Tap Open, and it'll open up WhatsApp, and you'll see the welcome screen. Once you're ready, go ahead and tap on Agree and Continue. Then it's going to ask you for your phone number, so enter that in. After you've entered your number, click Next. Now if you've already got a WhatsApp account with that number, it's going to retrieve your information. If you don't have one, you may need to go through the initial setup process. Once you've logged in and restored all your data if you had any, you can go ahead and start using WhatsApp just like you normally would. And that's it. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them down below. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tips for more helpful guides.